Welcome to the top best. The best canned and jarred mushrooms is probably one of the most versatile pantry staples, offering a convenient way to add earthy flavor and satisfying texture to countless dishes, from quick weeknight stir-fries and comforting casseroles to elegant pasta sauces and gourmet pizzas, all without the need for fresh mushroom preparation. These convenient options are perfect for home cooks seeking to elevate their meals with minimal effort, ensuring a delicious and consistent taste experience every time you reach for them. Number 5. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Introducing an organic and non-GMO mushroom growing kit. You can harvest delicious oyster mushrooms in just 10 days, perfect for adding to any dish. Enjoy growing your own fresh mushrooms indoors all year round. Simply place the kit near a window, mist it daily, and watch them grow. It's incredibly easy to grow your own mushrooms. Just open the box, spray daily, and you'll be harvesting your own crop in about 10 days. This kit makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves food or gardening. It comes in beautiful packaging, ready to be gifted. Be part of our special campaign. Share your growing journey online, and we'll donate a kit to a classroom. It's a gift that keeps on giving. We guarantee that your mushrooms will grow. If you encounter any issues, we'll happily send you a replacement. Made with care in the USA. What we like. This kit allows you to grow your own gourmet oyster mushrooms right at home. It's a fun and educational experience that yields delicious results in just 10 days. If you're looking for a unique, hands-on culinary adventure or a thoughtful gift for a foodie or gardener, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They're a lot of fun to watch them grow. They grow very fast overnight they double in size. These were super easy to grow and they grow so big so fast. Super easy to use and grow. I got confused on position to lay box. In the picture of the ad it's displayed sitting upright but didn't quite seem right to grow that way, so I left on its back. Instructions were unclear. Otherwise it was easy to grow and fun to do with the kids. They also tasted delicious. Number 4. Roland Foods Premium Dried Mixed Wild Mushrooms. Elevate your dishes with Roland Foods Premium Dried Mixed Wild Mushrooms. These exquisite mushrooms are carefully selected for their rich flavor and aroma. Experience the deep, earthy notes of a variety of wild mushrooms. They bring a complex and satisfying taste to any recipe. Sourced from the finest regions, this is a specialty imported food product. It's perfect for those seeking authentic and high-quality ingredients. These dried mushrooms offer incredible convenience and versatility in your kitchen. Simply rehydrate them to unlock their full potential. From soups and stews to risottos and sauces, they add a gourmet touch. Enhance your favorite meals with this premium ingredient. Bring the authentic taste of the wild into your home cooking. It's an easy way to add a touch of luxury to everyday meals. What we like. These premium dried mixed wild mushrooms offer a complex and intense flavor profile. They are perfect for elevating any dish with their unique, earthy notes. If you're a gourmet cook seeking to add depth and sophistication to your sauces, risottos, or stews, these imported mushrooms are an excellent option. What people say. The quality and texture of the mushrooms were great due to the dried. All I had to do was put in water and let soak, made a perfect soup. These are delicious 40-gram assortments of dried mushrooms in an airtight container that preserves freeness. These can last a very long time on your shelf, making it easy to store and grab. The mushroom get really big once hydrated. The leftover juices can be used for cooking other dishes, or just drinking as a soup. Number 3. Mushroom House Dried Porcini Mushroom Powder. Unlock a deep, rich umami flavor with a delightful woodsy aroma. It effortlessly enhances your favorite sauces, soups, and stews, adding a gourmet touch to every meal. Crafted from carefully selected, wild-harvested porcini mushrooms, this powder captures their natural earthy depth. It brings a bold, savory character to any culinary creation. This versatile powder dissolves easily, making it perfect for marinades, rubs, and seasonings. Achieve restaurant-quality flavor with minimal effort. Enjoy a bold, clean taste derived from all natural ingredients. It's packed with plant-based protein and essential minerals, free from any additives or preservatives. Store this convenient, resealable pouch for up to 2 years, ensuring lasting freshness. It's an essential pantry staple for both quick weeknight dinners and leisurely weekend cooking. What we like. This porcini mushroom powder is made from wild harvested mushrooms, delivering a deep, rich umami flavor. Its powder form makes it incredibly versatile for seasoning rubs, sauces, and soups. If you want to easily add a gourmet, savory depth to your cooking without altering texture, this is a must-have pantry staple. What people say. The mushrooms are very fresh and have a great texture. These mushrooms are perfect for adding to stir-fries and pasta dishes. I love that these mushrooms are pre-sliced, which saves me a lot of time in the kitchen. Number 2. MW Polar Sliced Shiitake Mushrooms, 4 ounce, pack of 12. Introducing MW Polar Sliced Shiitake Mushrooms. These mushrooms offer a unique, meaty flavor and texture to elevate your favorite dishes. They are more nutritious than traditional white mushrooms, adding both taste and health benefits to your meals. Experience a distinct, satisfying meaty flavor and texture that can transform any recipe. This convenient pack includes 12 4-ounce units, ensuring you have plenty on hand for all your culinary creations. Easily add a gourmet touch to your cooking with these versatile sliced shiitake mushrooms. What we like. These sliced shiitake mushrooms offer a unique, meaty texture and are more nutritious than common white mushrooms. They are convenient for adding to stir-fries, soups, and other dishes. If you're looking for a flavorful and healthy mushroom option that provides a satisfying bite, this bulk pack is a great value. What people say. Delicious and nice size slices as well. Whole slices and not broken up into small pieces. I think this is good because these shiitake slices have a notably meaty texture, which I liked and are what I think is widely considered to be a distinguishing feature of shiitake mushrooms. They are a quick, easy, healthy addition to stir-fry or many other dishes. Number 1. Pennsylvania Dutchman canned mushrooms. Discover the rich, earthy flavor that has made these mushrooms a favorite across America. They are perfect for adding a delicious touch to any meal. Experience the consistent quality and delightful taste in every can. These mushrooms are carefully selected for your culinary enjoyment. Our stems and pieces offer incredible versatility in the kitchen. They are prepped and ready to enhance your favorite recipes with ease. From soups and stews to casseroles and sauces, these mushrooms are the ideal ingredient. Elevate your cooking with this pantry staple. For generations, Pennsylvania Dutchman has been a trusted name in quality canned goods. Enjoy the tradition and taste in every bite. What we like. These canned mushrooms are a convenient and classic choice, featuring stems and pieces. They are a versatile ingredient that can be easily added to casseroles, pizzas, or pasta dishes. If you need a readily available mushroom for everyday cooking and prefer a familiar, mild flavor, these are a reliable option. What people say. These mushrooms are great for cooking many recipes. I like the quality and taste of these mushrooms as well as the convenience. I open the can, drain the water and add the nicely sliced mushrooms into the dish I'm preparing. Nice flavor, easy to use and great to have on hand. Good for omelets, stews and salads. The mushroom flavor does come through nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.